Hello friends, welcome back to our channel, where we make car care simple, fun, and stress-free. Today, we're diving into a very common engine trouble code, the P0125. A common trouble code that usually means your engine isn't reaching the right temperature. If your check engine light is on and you've got this code, don't worry. I'll walk you through everything you need to know and do to get it fixed fast. Also, we'll cover what P0125 means, common symptoms and causes, tools and parts you need, step-by-step diagnosis, repair, and testing. Let's get started. What exactly is the P0125 code? It indicates that the engine control module not detecting enough heat in the cooling system before the fuel management system can take control. Here's what you might notice if you have this code. Check engine light is on. Engine temperature gauge stays low or below normal. Poor fuel economy. Heater not blowing warm air. Sometimes rough idle or poor performance. The most common causes are faulty thermostat stuck open, low coolant level, bad coolant temperature sensor, wiring or connection issues with the sensor, coolant leaks or problems with the radiator. Before we get our hands dirty, grab OBD2 Scanner to read or clear codes, digital multimeter, new ECT sensor OEM or quality aftermarket, basic hand tools ratchet, sockets, wrenches, thermometer or freeze point tester optional, dielectric grease for connector. Here are two simple DIY methods you can try to solve this problem. Method of testing the ECT sensor. In most vehicles, the primary engine coolant temperature ECT sensor is located near the thermostat on the cylinder head. Remove the ECT sensor carefully from the engine. Use a multimeter to test the sensor. At an ambient temperature of 68 degrees Fahrenheit 20 degrees Celsius, the sensor's resistance should fall between 2,000 and 3,000 ohms. If there is no reading or the resistance is outside this range, the ECT sensor is likely faulty and should be replaced. Method B, the thermostat. Most car thermostats are located near the water pump on the cylinder head. Make sure the engine is completely cool before beginning. Carefully remove the thermostat from the engine. Install a new thermostat following these guidelines. The short end should face the hose, the deep end should face the engine. During installation, ensure the jiggle valve is positioned straight up, allowing air to properly escape through the cooling system. Once you've done the fixes, use your OBD2 scanner to clear the code and take the car for a test drive. Monitor the engine temperature and check if the code returns. Tips and final advice. Always use the right thermostat for your car's make and model. Avoid mixing different types of coolant. If you're unsure about the steps, get help from a professional mechanic. Don't ignore this code. Running too cool can damage your engine over time. If it did, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks like this. Thanks for watching, and remember, when it comes to car problems, you've got this. See you in the next video.